600 metres above sea level lies Marllyn Mawr, the upper reservoir of Dinorwig power station. It's an integral part of the landscape, and currently a specialist team is at work on the steeply sloping face coating the wall of the dam. This is ENGIE X Engineering.
What's going on behind us is to protect the dam wall from any damage and to extend the lifespan for another 25 years or so.
With the reservoir full, up to 10 million tonnes of water would normally cover this part of the dam. But with the station drained down, the level is low enough for the team to access it all.
They're painting it with a mastic. It's a hot mastic that has had to come all the way from Carlisle this morning because it has to be painted on hot.
Like most places in North Wales, it gets quite harsh conditions here, as that coating is quite important in terms of maintaining the life cycle of the plant.
It comes with its risks. Obviously they're working in close proximity to water, the incline itself up to the reservoir.
So there's quite a specialist outfit that does this work. All their equipment is normally bespoke to their line of work. They need to be specially trained.
Dinorwig is a part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site. My grandfather actually lived in the village, and there's a sense of pride when it comes to Dinorwig.